set.
The set position. This time they get away cleanly. AKEELAH Bell of Wolmer's got away well inside from San Diego. Martina Parks also running a big race. Anika Carnegie of Hydel. Anika Bell of Wolmer's takes command now. AKEELAH Bell, silver last year. She upgrades on the podium this time around to take the gold medal in 13.32 seconds. AKEELAH Bell of Wolmer's landing the class 2 girls sprint hurdles final. The silver medal to Carnegie.
Bell wearing the favorite.
In 13.43, the silver for Carnegie. Martina Parks, bronze 13.64. So it's 13.32 to 13.43 to 13.64. Bell from Carnegie, from Parks, Wolmer's girls, Hydel, then San Diego in that order.
Came on strong in the end. Bell to take the victory. Started well, but pretty even with her and Carnegie of Hydel going shoulder to shoulder, clearing the hurdles, almost very even here. And this is where Bell starts to step forward, looks a lot more dominant towards the finish, separates herself and secures the victory. Came in as the favorite, but it was never easy. The likes of Hydel, Carnegie right there with her up until the last 3 hurdles when Bell starts to step away. Great hurdling as well, bringing the trail leg around, using the arms, snapping down, good in between, and finishing strong for the victory.
Ring the golden bell, the maroon and gold, where the sun doesn't set, have another gold medal in the sprint hurdles.
AKEELAH Bell, 13.32 seconds for the gold medal. Anika Carnegie from Hydel, the silver, 13.43. Martina Parks of San Diego, 13.64 for the bronze, the top 3.